Hey, so we're back. Me, still talking. Thanks for listening. Today, other than giving super namaste energy, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 3 tips on how to best start your split journey. So these tips have helped me tremendously, and I'm hoping they help someone way out there. Tip number 1 would be to hire a coach or take some classes. The reason I say hire a coach is because having that level of one-on-one accountability has drastically changed my level of commitment, the level of effort I put in, and the output as a result. I've been working with a coach for a little over a year now, and the progress I've made, the things that I've learned that I'm able to now share with other people has really changed the game. I love my coach. I just also should say my coach and also has a coach. Like, there are just everybody, there's a lot of coaching involved, but again, you want to learn from someone who is an expert, who can help guide you, who can give you that one-on-one attention. If you can't afford a coach, which is totally understandable, find some classes that are in your area. They're doing a lot of virtual classes. I actually host virtual classes online since the pandemic. Not saying you have to take mine, but also when you're investing money into your goals, there's a different level of commitment. You're more likely to show up for an appointment that you make that costs $100, $150 versus just watching the free YouTube video online. I think both work. For me, I found that one-on-one coaching has worked better. I'm not saying the free stuff doesn't work. There's a reason there's so much free content out there. It obviously works. But I think that when you invest into your goals, there's a different level of output. That's just my personal opinion. That's how it's worked for me. So yes, tip number 1, get a coach or take some classes. Tip number 2, if you are not getting a coach, if you are not taking classes, how do you stay consistent on your own? It is follow a program. You don't want to be just taking random videos from different people, trying to mix match them and make something that you can follow. Follow a program that has been proven to work. We want to see people where they started, where they ended, what routine were they doing to accomplish their goal, and you want to follow that routine. Granted, we're all different and different things are going to work for different people, but when you find one that you really like, stick with that program. Do not deviate and just go all in. Tip number 3 would be to make a schedule. Like Sunday night, as you're doing your hot girl shit, your Sunday wind down, whatever you do, make a schedule for the week of what days you're going to be doing what. When you're training, when you're stretching. I have a lot of other facets of fitness that I do enjoy, so making a schedule and planning things out so I know which days I'm doing what has also allowed me to be more consistent, because when it's on my calendar and I know it's time, Tuesday, Thursday, I'm gonna do hip stretches for at least an hour, I'm more likely to stick to it. So that's it. 3 simple tips and we're done. Tip number 1, get a coach. Tip number 2, follow a program that is proven to work. And last but not least, tip number 3 is to schedule out your sessions, whether you're going to be doing a flexibility session Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just put it on your calendar so you know when you're supposed to be stretching. Those 3 things have changed the game, and I hope that they help someone out there. All right, well, thank you so much and have a good day.